Okay, so let's take a look at exporting some data in Moneo real-time maintenance through the software. First, we're going to jump over here to the lab, jump in here, and currently what I have is I'm looking at a peak for vibration under the VVP 020 that I have connected to a motor over at the lab. So I did a time span of 1 hour. This is me zoomed in currently on the motor under load. And to export that data, we just click here. And you'll see data might be compressed. We hit OK, and that saves us a .csv file. So from here, I've taken that .csv file and I have put it onto my PC. There we go. So this is what the data looks like. So what we want to do is we want to highlight that first column because it all comes in a single column. We're going to go underneath data and we're going to do text to columns and we're going to do delimited and we're going to do semicolon. Next, data format. Now we're just going to do general. We'll keep that as that for now. Hit finished. All right. So what you'll see here is that we've now sorted out. We have all of our time frames, our time stamps sorted out here. The data actually comes into Excel for us nicely as an integer data value, and we can just simply go timestamp raw data value. There we go. Highlight everything there. We're going to go to Insert, Recommended Charts. And there we go. That's more to the point of what I want to take a look at. So I'm going to do column, clustered column. Hit OK. And now we have our chart. So we just add in that this is meters per second squared. You can see how easy it is to take this data, toss it into Excel, and map it out into a chart and do some trending on it, or provide a presentation on the trends that we see over time. So hopefully that it was helpful and gets everyone moving forward on getting your data into Excel and into a chart. Thank you and have a good day.